Welcome to Richard's Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. This is where we do reviews. I do a review on one of my beautiful Tycos in my collection. And yeah, you guys can check it out. I do a total review on it, clean it up, put it on the track, run it around the track, and let you know a little bit about it. And today's car is the A-Team van on a U-turn chassis. I'll bring you guys around here and we'll check the bad boy out. Pretty cool looking van, all black, molded in black. Got the red stripe going all the way around. Got A-Team right there. The A-Team. Chrome bumpers. And the A-Team on that side as well. The side pipes are molded into the body. They are not separate chrome pieces. And it has a tinted windshield. Front and rear. Red hubs. Let's put her on the dyno and see how she does. I'm not sure how long you should leave that on there. It's not getting hot. Okay, we'll put it on there and I'll clean the body up while if I can get it off of here. Okay. Put a little oil on it. I don't think these are supposed to go like regular cars do. We're not going to get the numbers out of it that we get out of a 440 times 2, say. Bad boy shined up real nice. We get 158. Let's see if we can get 160 out of it with the body on it. We just gotta get warmed up. There we go, 158. 161. Yeah, not too bad. $175, 177. Yeah, we'll stick with that. Pretty cool car. Not sure how it runs, and I'm not that great with U-turns, but we will take this bad boy over to the track and we will take her for a few laps. Let's turn the power on. And let's see what she'll do. Oh yeah. think it needs a longer guide pin like on the 440, or even longer like on the AFX Mega G Plus. Yeah, it's got a short guide pin. I have some longer ones in there. I'd probably do a lot better if there was a longer one. What keeps hitting something over here? I'm not sure what. See if we can make it all the way around backwards. There we go. Now we'll flip her back around. Whoa, almost came off. What the heck is that? I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to get the spin around, but it's just coming off. And the tires are nice and dirty. It should spin around, but it's not. It runs real good. There you have it, folks. On a U-turn chassis, 18 van. I'll get the book and I'll show you it in the book. Alright. We'll find it. Oh, there she is right there. There she is right there, number 34. 18 van. Red hubs, red stripe, the A-team. Number 34. Come over here. And we have number 34. 84, 85 U-turn, 18 van, 8045 U-turn, 70, 77. It's an average availability of a 3. Number 34, black, red, A-team. Also available an 18 train set. The train set has a dummy chassis on it. I have one of those, but I took the dummy chassis off and put a regular chassis on it. For now, if I were to sell it, I'd put the dummy back on it. But yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, the tires got a little dusty, which is good for these things here. Helps them spin around. A little bit longer guide pin, and it stay on a lot better. To be exact, I just stuck one back in here the other day. I think this one here is longer. No, same size. But there should be one in here somewhere. This one here looks like it's a lot longer. Yeah. Alright. Well, I'll put you on pause and I'll put this bad boy on. Yes, there she is. Now see how longer that is? This is an AFX guide pin. But I'll take you guys over to the track and we'll show you with this guide pin how it runs. Okay. There we go. Well, yeah, there's definitely something wrong going on with this thing. It's not running like it was. So, oh well. Yeah. You guys see how Tyco reacts having an AFX part on it, don't you? Yeah. Well, appreciate you guys coming in. Hope you guys like this van. Runs great with the other guide pin on. I got no clue. It has nothing to do with it. I don't know why it's not running right now. But it's not. So yeah. It's running on the dyno. Yeah, it doesn't sound that great. It could be the hubs could be pushed in too far. But I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, there you have it, folks. pause for a second. Alright, appreciate you guys coming in. I just took her back to the track. It does not run as good with the AFX guide pin. It's too long. So, yeah. It don't run quite as good. But it ran real nice, I guess. I'm not sure how your U-turn car is supposed to run, how it's supposed to react. But, we just saw it. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to let you guys go. We'll get off of here. And I hope you liked Tyco Tuesday. Hope you guys like this van. Pretty cool. Like I said, I have two of them. One has a dummy chassis. And this one here has the U-turn chassis on it. Alright. You guys have a great week. And I will see you guys Friday night. Those who want to come in and watch my live. And those who don't, guys, I'll see you next Tuesday. Later.